Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts! Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible wildlife content. Today we're talking about one of nature's most formidable predators, the leopard. These incredible cats are not just about stealth and power, they're also astonishingly fast. So how fast can a leopard run? Leopards can reach speeds of up to 58 kilometers per hour or around 36 miles per hour. Picture yourself driving in a car at that speed, and now imagine a leopard keeping pace with you. Impressive, right? But there's more to their speed than just numbers. Leopards are built for short bursts of intense speed, rather than long-distance running. Their muscular, sleek bodies are designed to spring into action, making them perfect ambush predators. A leopard's acceleration is phenomenal. They can go from a standstill to their top speed in just a few strides. This rapid acceleration is crucial for catching quick, agile prey like antelopes and hares. However, unlike cheetahs, which are the fastest land animals, leopards rely on their strength and stealth. They use their speed to close the gap on unsuspecting prey, then deploy their powerful limbs and sharp claws to secure the kill. Their habitat also plays a role in their hunting strategy. Leopards often hunt in dense forests and thick underbrush where their camouflage and quick bursts of speed give them a significant advantage. So, the next time you think of leopards, remember they are not just about stealth and strength. Their speed is a key element of their hunting prowess. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest wildlife explorations. Until next time, keep exploring the wild wonders of our planet.